This is the red.
I thought you were practicing.
So you're just gonna stop.
I thought you were practicing.
I hold on to these memories because you are love. Was true. I hold on to these memories.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just filmed the red quarantine and slay look. This is this look today. I was actually inspired by Arrogante. I will post a picture of my inspiration. I will not be getting in a bathtub. I will not. But the face is supposed to mimic what he did. And the baby hairs and the hair. So get into that look, guys. Let me see. Oh, wait a second. Hold up. So anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look. This is, like I said, Arrogante inspired, and it is the red look. I actually did a red wing liner, and I recorded the wing liner on camera for the first time in a very long time. So I put on this, I don't even know what it was, NYX Fire or something like that, liquid liner, and I'll put it all down below. And the I Luv Sarahi ColourPop lip, that is my lip of choice, and that's really it, guys. Oh, today's Cinco de Mayo and Taco Tuesday. So I hope you guys enjoyed your Cinco de Mayo and Taco Tuesday. But when I post this, it will probably actually be a day from now. So happy 6th of May. Oh, yes, guys. Hey, guess what? If you have not liked, commented, or subscribed yet, now's your time. You know what I feel should go right here in this moment of like us waiting? In the arms. Does that song make you guys cry? No?
Only when the dogs are
It's just like they have the dogs and all the puppies are like...
Yeah. They look so malnourished.
So sad, guys. But anyway, when you subscribe, don't think of that song. I don't want you to get sad subscribing to my channel. So, yeah.
I feel nothing.
In what? In the arms of an angel? Are you kidding me?
Looking at those dogs, I feel nothing.
Oh my gosh.
You're going to hell. Almost forgot, guys. This hair, I was talking about how I wanted to have like an Arrogante inspired look. This hair is actually a wig rejuvenation from my website. It was an old closure, and I will put a picture of the before, and then I'll put a picture of the after in this. So if you go on my site right now, wig rejuvenation is only $70. It will be a little bit more because I actually did replace the closure because it needed it. It actually had a hole in it. It was looking a hot mess. But yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with my normal Makeup Revolution Infinite Concealer, and of course I am just priming my eyes. This is going to be a very neutral look because I'm really just going for the pop of color with the red eyeliner. And after I blend everything out, I am going in with my Morphe Cosmetics. This is from James Charles. These are actually his makeup brushes. So I am using a new makeup brush, and I am just going in with that Jackie Aina palette, and I am blending the color in. I believe this color is called Ginger. Of course, everything will be down below for everything I used, but this is what I'm going to use for my crease and pretty much place all over my eyes. Now I'm just going back in with my Makeup Revolution Infinite Concealer, and I am going to go and cut my crease. I didn't do like a super high crease. I just did something very neutral. So I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to go back in with my Iconic palette, and I'm going to place in the colors Marshmallow. And I'm also going in with the color Ultimate Tan, and together it's going to give me like a very neutral color eye. It's not too bright, but something very neutral for my skin complexion. Now, after I'm just checking to make sure everything is even on both sides, I'm going back in with my Jackie Aina palette in the color Ginger and just blending everything out, making sure that everything is even and looks good. Now I'm going in with my NYX, and this is in the color Fire Red, I believe. This is like a liquid liner, the vivid liners. It doesn't really show up too great on camera. Like, you can't really see how vivid it is, and I feel like it's not as vivid it is not as vivid as I would like. But again, I'm going back in and I'm making a winged liner. So this is exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just going in with that NYX Vivid Fire Red liner and making a wing liner. Now I'm moving on to my black liner, and for this liner I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills gel liner at first, and then I actually go in with my Maybelline, I think it's called Precise Liner, again it will be down below, and I am just fixing everything and making sure that everything looks good. And this is just a black liner. So basically I'm taking my red liner and my black liner, I'm matching them up and making two different liners for this look. Now for my primer, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. Again, I'm placing this all over my face, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation, which is the Fenty Beauty in the color 440. I just adjusted the lighting here because I felt like my foundation was too dark for my face all of a sudden, and now I feel like I am too light. But anyway, I'm putting on my lashes here, and you're just going to see me placing my lashes on. I actually don't do this normally either, so I feel like this tutorial is all around just things I don't normally show you. And now I'm going back in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm placing that under my eye. And of course, after that, I will brighten up my eye with my Makeup Revolution Infinite Concealer in the color C12. This is just my normal routine that I do with my foundation to brighten my under eye. And now after I've done that, I'm literally just going in and blending. Like you guys know, I always say make sure you blend really, really well. So that you don't have any harsh lines in your face, and I literally say blend for like 20 minutes. Now I'm just going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Medium Deep, and I'm just setting my concealer here. And now I'm going in with my Beauty Bakerie flour powder, and this is in the color Brown, and I'm just setting my face. Everywhere that I place my foundation, I'm going back over with this Beauty Bakerie powder. And now to set my under eye so it's not so bright, I actually go in with this Sephora powder. I'll place this down below, and I just set it so I don't look so bright under my eyes that it's like casting a white shadow. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami, and I'm placing this in my, where I'm contouring. So my nose and my cheeks. Going back in with some Lash Stiletto mascara and a NYX pencil in the color Milk. And now I'm going in with I think this is called, I don't know if this is Wigglicious or something. I'll place it down below, but this is from the Jackie Aina palette, and this is in the color Red. As you can see, I'm like, yes, this is a very nice color. Now I'm just placing that last lash stiletto on my bottom lashes, so that's what you guys see me doing here. And for my lips, I am using the ColourPop I Luv Sarahi. This is like, I guess, a collab that they did. And I'm using this red to actually just do my lips. For my liner, I think I'm using Urban Cafe by NYX. And that's the color that you see. So it's going to be like, hopefully, a dark brown. It doesn't really come out too dark. It didn't come out as dark as I wanted it. But this is pretty much what I'm placing on my lips right now. Now for my highlight, I'm going in with this Too Faced highlighter and I'm placing this on my cheeks and my nose. I'm going a little bit hard with this because I wanted it to really show up. So I do that several times. And I just completed my brows off camera. And now I am putting on the Sweetie setting spray, which smells amazing. And now I'm going to just fix my hair. I'm fixing my baby hairs in this particular case because I think my scarf messed them up. Going in with my LA Pro Concealer to fix my part. And I am literally spraying water on this to actually make the hair, we'll bring it back to life and make it have like that wet look. This I'm going to do a few times and then I'm actually going to take a Denman brush and just brush through it to make sure that the curls kind of clump together. And as you can see, I'm getting the look that I want with those clumped curls. And now I'm going back in, pulling my wig up a little bit. This wig, I have on an elastic band, but I actually need to tighten it. It's not tight enough. I feel like my wig kept sliding back. It was not it. I actually do not have a wig cap on, guys, underneath here. This is just transparent lace, and I bleached the knots, and I put a little bit of concealer, and that's what it looks like right now. So it's looking pretty natural. I'm going back in again using my Denman brush and clumping those curls together. And then because one side, for some reason, I had a ton of product on one side, I have to clump the curls together to make sure that they look good. So before this, what you didn't see is I actually used a ton of mousse that was not good mousse and ended up like straightening my hair out. It was not good. It was too heavy. So I'm going back in and fixing everything, going back in and fixing my edges and checking to see how I look from the side. And yes, I'm excited because everything looks good. And that's really it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next one, guys. Bye bye.